You have been told your whole life how to succeed, how to live responsibly, and how to be a good person. And somehow you are still struggling. You followed the rules, you memorized the advice, you did what you were told, but nothing seems to be working the way they were promised. If that feels a little too familiar, then stay with me because today I am breaking down 10 lessons you were taught, why they failed you, and what actually works instead. My name is Victor Agogbua. I help young adults build lives of clarity, discipline, and direction, not through hypes, not through motivational quotes, but through honest reflection and strategic living. Let's continue. Here's the first thing you must have to hear, and it matters. You didn't fail these life lessons. They were never designed for the life you are actually living. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to finally make these life lessons work for you, not against you. Start rethinking everything you thought you knew. If you have ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like you are somehow behind while everyone else looks like they have figured out life, you are not alone. Maybe you have asked yourself, why am I working so hard and nothing seems to be changing? Here is the truth most people never hear. The problem isn't you, it is the way you were taught to think about life. And realizing that actually is the beginning of freedom. So let's break this down. Lesson number one, hard work pays off. You are told that if you work hard, success will follow. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Hard work alone does not guarantee anything. Yes, without direction, without strategy, clarity, hard work turns into busy work. So instead of measuring effort, start measuring results. Ask yourself, what small set of actions actually moves my life forward? Focus there. That alone can change everything. Lesson number two, follow your passion and money will follow. It sounds inspiring, but it's incomplete. Passion without skill, structure, or understanding real world demands usually lead to frustration. Passion needs strategy. So here is the better question. Where do your interests overlap with real opportunity? That intersection is where progress actually happens. Lesson number three, good grades equals to success. You were taught that grades define your future, but grades mostly measure memory and compliance, not creativity, resilience, or execution. And those are the traits life actually rewards. So shift your focus to applied learning. Build things, try things, fail fast, and adjust. Life doesn't reward what you memorize, it rewards action. Lesson number four, play it safe. Safety is comfortable, but comfort is one of the fastest way people stop growing. Playing it safe keeps you stuck in a small version of yourself. So this week, take one calculated risk. Try something unfamiliar. Test a boundary because growth always lives outside comfort. Lesson number five, you should always be productive. No one taught you this, but it matters. Rest, reflection are not laziness, they are tools. Burning yourself out in the name of productivity is a trap. So start scheduling downtime on purpose. Use reflection to guide your next move. Productivity should feel effective, not exhausting. Stay with me here because the next few lessons flip everything you have been told about success completely upside down. So, lesson number six, you have to please everyone. You were taught to be liked, approved, and safe in other people's eyes. But people pleasing slowly erases your identity. So define your non negotiable and start saying no without guilt to what does not move you forward. Lesson number seven, failure is bad. Failure was framed as shame, but in reality, it is information. It is fast information. It tells you what works and what does not. So fail intentionally, track the lessons, adjust immediately. That's how progress actually happens. Lesson number 8, life should be fair. This one hurts, but it is important. Life isn't fair. Waiting for fairness keeps people stuck. So shift your mindset from fairness to agency. Focus on what you can control, leverage on your strength, and keep moving. Lesson number 9, you must have a clear plan for everything. This sounds responsible, but it often leads to paralysis. Rigid plans break easily. Flexible system adapts. So plan just enough to move, then adjust as you go. Action beats perfect plans every time. Lesson number 10, there is one path to success. You were shown a single roadmap, that is school, job, promotion, retirement. But life isn't linear, it is dynamic. That rigidity is why so many people feel lost. Try to explore, experiment, try projects, ideas, side paths, and you will find what fits your life, not someone else's expectation. Let me share something quickly. When I was 24, I believed hard work and good grade would automatically unlock success. I followed every rule, every lesson, and I was still stuck. The turning point came when I realized that the lessons weren't useless. I was applying them blindly. Once I combined strategy with reflection, action with insight, things started moving fast. That's what this video is all about. Not abandoning life lessons, but applying them differently. So take a moment. Which of these lessons have you been following on autopilot? Which one are quietly holding you back? Write one down and be honest with yourself. That awareness is the first real step forward. Pick one lesson from this video, just one, and act on it today. Don't just watch, move. Small shifts compounds faster than motivation will ever. And if you found value here, kindly support us as you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we drop new video. Every week, we turn confusing life advice into clear, practical steps so you stop spinning and start moving. Remember this, life lessons didn't fail you. The way they were applied did. Act, reflect, repeat. Your life isn't a rule book, it's an experiment, and every experiment brings you closer to clarity, purpose, and growth. Ensure to watch the next video on this screen. Peace.